What's up everybody, Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing and overview as well as quick install for the Wolf EDC from Cyelee Optics. This is one of their newer pistol red dots that they came out with, and it comes with all the goodies you'd expect from a red dot nowadays. And one thing to note with this is meant for RMR footprint. So we're gonna go ahead and get it mounted to an RMR footprint slide. So that way you can see exactly how this can go on your pistol. But first thing, let's get everything out of the box and see what it comes with. All right, got everything out of the package. As far as what comes with it, they give you some literature here. One of them is telling you how to actually zero the optic. The other one is giving you some guidance on what you want to zero the optic for, whether 5, 10, 25, and where your point of impact will be. They also give you a little manual here as well. They got a patch that you can use and a sticker. I almost thought it was like a face tattoo, but it's a sticker. And then also they give you the standard cleaning cloth as well as a tool to secure the optic and then a tool to adjust the windage and elevation as well. Oh, and they also give you every screw known to mankind to get this mounted to whatever setup you have, which I absolutely love because there seems to be so many different thread pitches, slide cuts, and whatever else. So hopefully 2 of these screws will work with our setup to get this mounted on, and same for you. Then we also have our optic here, and we're gonna take a look down the reticle here in a sec, but as far as general overview here, you have on off on the left side here. If you click the up arrow there, that'll go ahead and turn the optic on. It has 8 daytime brightness settings and then 2 night vision. To adjust the windage and elevation, you have a turret up at the top as well as one on the side, and then you also have your battery door here to swap out your battery. And again, this is cut for RMR, so you have to make sure and have an RMR cut slide in order to get this mounted properly. The other biggest selling point for this optic though is that it is a enclosed emitter. So there is a piece of glass on the back as well as the front, so no mud, dirt, or grime can get in the way of your emitter, so it's always going to be enclosed in there. Also, another big selling point for the Wolf EDG is they say this is drop proof on concrete up to 6 feet, which is pretty amazing. And you can see by this rugged design here that that's going to take majority of the blow there, so that way your optic doesn't get ruined. Maybe we'll have to test that out later. We'll see. Next up, let's go ahead and get this mounted to our pistol here. The pistol we're going to be using is a Lone Wolf Dusk 19, so kind of ironic. We got the Lone Wolf and we're putting the Wolf EDG on it, Wolf. But either way, this is cut for RMR, so this is going to be able to go directly on our slide like so. And then now you just got to figure out which screws will work with your setup. And for me, I already went through and looked, and the one that's going to work for me is the 6-32 by 3, I think it was a 7. I ripped the bag. The nut diameter is 5.5 millimeters, and then the effective length is 9.5 millimeters. And it's a T10 screw. So I have them right here, and they do put some blue Loctite on it, but I never trust that. So I'm gonna just give a dab of blue Loctite on both of these, and then we're gonna secure it down. And then I always use a torque screwdriver, and we're gonna set this to 15 inch-pounds and tighten them down. And once you get it torqued down, you should be all set. It's as simple as that. Next up, let's go ahead and take a quick look down the reticle. So here's what it looks like down the optic here. And this is a 3 MOA red dot. And right now we are on the highest brightness setting. Let's go ahead and click it down. So we're at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then 2 and 1 are compatible with night vision. And then let's go ahead and crank it all the way back up then, and there you go. Again, very basic as far as the reticle and brightness settings go, but the nice thing about this again is that you have the enclosed emitter. So again, no mud, dirt, or grime is gonna get in the way of your optic or your emitter for your optic to work. Overall, seems pretty solid. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the new Cyelee WOLF EDG, the enclosed emitter optic? Is this gonna be something you're picking up? Let me know down in the comments what you think. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks everybody.